chose Think Big because I've always been around CAD equipment. We actually came in for parts one day, kind of asked if there was any sort of schooling. Sure enough, there was. At the time, I didn't know what I wanted to do for school, and the Think Big program seemed like a really cool opportunity. So I gave it a shot, and here I am 4 years later, and still loving it, loving what I do.
I've been with Altorfer for about 27 years. I currently am the General Manager of Service Operations. My first role at Altorfer I was actually an intern, a Think Big intern back in '99 and 2000. I'd say it's a good 80% hands-on training, 20% classroom training. If you are a hands-on learner, this is the program that would benefit for you.
Your opportunities with this company are endless. Exciting moment for you. Wish you a successful program, and I think this is an exciting day for everybody, so we're happy you're here.
The program has changed me personally by it pushes your knowledge. You learn a whole lot more than what you think you've known. You're always learning. Every day is a teaching moment for yourself.
Altorfer supports the Think Big grounds in many ways. We supply the latest and greatest equipment to the programs and then take the time to actually learn what needs to be learned on those machines.
My advice for if you're considering Think Big, if you are able to do it, take it and run with it. It's been probably one of the best decisions I would say I've ever made. I've been here for 4 years now, and I've loved every single minute of it, through internship, through full-time work, through the competitions. When you're down at school, take all the time you can down there because it goes fast. Learn while you're down there.